Good morning. It is 5 a.m. on concrete day. Very excited. It's 54 degrees. A little chilly this morning, but a welcome from 90-degree weather. We're just about all set. Hopefully when the first concrete truck gets here, we'll be completely ready. Our friends Bill and Jody are gonna come help us pour concrete, be some extra hands, which will be very, very appreciated. Let's get to it.
Concrete is here. We're still trying to figure out the best place to come into the shop to lay the floor, but we're about ready to go. It's about ready to get busy. Jeff is watching to have the cement driver back up. See if he can get his barrel in here a little bit more and not hit the truss. So, praise the Lord, the concrete truck can fit in the trusses, under the trusses, so we're actually able to pour from inside the shop, which is a huge, huge blessing.
Yeah. Oh, I'm actually your guys' neighbor.
Oh, where are you at?
I live right across the way on the other side of the mountain. My grandparents and uncle have a place there, and I'm down there. So, like, through these trees.
Bill and Jody are our friends that have recently relocated from Oregon to Idaho, and were a huge help today on Concrete Day. Bill started pouring concrete the same year that Amy and I were born. So
You would never know, though, by the way, how young they both look.
And how hard they
worked.
So, leave a guess in the comments as to how many years you think that is. This was the biggest concrete slab that either Amy and I had ever done before. 13 yards is a lot of concrete.
Yeah, it is.
And Bill was so helpful to say, slow down, leave it on the truck.
Right.
Get a finished grade on what we have down before just dumping it all, because otherwise Amy and I were feeling the pressure of we just need to get these trucks emptied as fast as possible.
Yeah, I mean, having not done this, I mean, when we did our pour with the posts, it felt a lot different. We were just filling holes like this. This felt a little frantic. It was probably felt like a very frantic, like maybe 2 hours did it take us to get this all down.
Oh, if that. I don't even think it was 2 hours.
Okay, so...
But a controlled chaos.
Yes, for sure, controlled chaos.
It was just a lot of work.
Yeah.
And...
No one lost their boots in there.
No one lost their boots. No one fell over. No one tripped on the rebar.
Nope.
You know, it's... I think there's some things I would do differently if I was to do it again. Different tools, maybe. I thought I had all the tools I needed, but I could have definitely used some different ones.
Yeah. Well, next time.
There's always next time.
There's always next time. Yeah, the interstate concrete was really, really great. And they actually were the ones that came out on our post concrete.
Yeah, it was kind of fun to see the same driver that we had seen last year.
Last fall,
when we poured the posts for the pole barn and the solar array.
Yeah, that was fun.
Maybe we'll see him again.
Maybe.
Have this feeling, haven't felt for so long. Took a hold of me and won't let go. I've been sleeping, caught me off my guard. 'Cause you're in my space and now I'm so. Hold me towards you and I cannot fight it. My head's underwater, I try to disguise it. Want you to hold me, though we haven't spoken. I need
So here's our breakaway box for the shower drain. This will give us the ability to plumb the shower drain in. So it's a little flexible, so we can.
So we can start to remove it.
Well, so the pipe, we left the pipe flexible,
Yes.
so we can.
You're just wanting to get the concrete off before
Yeah,
it gets...
before it cures.
Yeah, that makes sense.
I didn't realize it was going to be this thick.
Yeah, I guess the concrete pushed it down
A fair amount.
a fair amount, yeah.
But the pour went really well.
Good.
So it was good to have help. Bill and Jody are excellent helpers.
Yes, we couldn't have done it without them.
Definitely not. I mean, we could have. Amy would have had to show me how to work the trowel, though.
Yeah. I think it looks beautiful. Each time we come, it looks more and more like a building. Jeff's got his big old float.
Big old float.
Yeah. How do you water your concrete? This is how we're watering ours. Let us know in the comments. No. So Jeff, what's the purpose of watering the concrete?
Well, we want to control how fast the concrete cures. If it cures on top but is still uncured in the middle, it can cause more cracking and brittleness in the concrete.
Okay.
thank you guys for coming along. We got our concrete poured, we got it all covered with plastic, so it'll try to keep the moisture in and so it doesn't dry too fast. But I think this is where we're gonna leave you on this video. If you like what you're seeing here, you can support our channel by subscribing.
And leave a note or leave a comment about a time you poured concrete. How did it go? Was it good or bad?
Yeah, you guys are kind of getting to know us, and we'd like to get to know you. So leave a comment about your concrete experience.
Bye.
Wait, you stand there, and I'm gonna stand back here. And that way, I think we're the same height. And I'll put my arm around you like this, so you can talk.
Okay, I can do this. Does that, no,
No, because then be in front of me.
Okay. Okay.
Have this feeling, haven't felt for so long. Took a hold of me and won't let go. I've been sleeping, caught me off my